Hello, and welcome to the one simple trick that will make Broken Bond playable on Xenia Canary version. I'm just using the newest Xenia Canary version, like February 2023, whatever. And Broken Bond is particularly buggy on Xenia, especially Master version. Lots of graphical glitches. Most of that is fixed by the Canary version, except for one little hiccup that really screws stuff up. It's in the cutscenes, and they'll just stop speaking, and the cutscene will just freeze, basically. I'm gonna show you one simple trick. Now, I've heard people... excuse me. You have to click yes on that, otherwise it crashes, unfortunately, but I've heard of people saving the game and exporting it to master to get past these cutscenes, and it's real painstaking, and I found a simpler way. Now, sometimes you may get graphical glitches here, but you can just press F5, but this is the issue. He cuts off, and the animation stops and it's stuck here. But I'm going to show you one simple method. Okay, you just go into the options and you swap this. Play Japanese voices, no. And boom. That's really it. It fixes it, man. Every single time you have that issue, you just gotta swap it from one option to the other. I've seen a couple times where the English dub will freeze, but it's a lot less often than the Japanese dub. So as long as you don't mind swapping between the dub and sub, you can play through this game. I'm pretty sure I'm about 3 hours into it, and it's nothing that I wasn't able to solve. If you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer in the comments. I'm just gonna play the rest of this, just a couple more minutes to show you that the game works. Yeah.
That's it all. Do it. Ninja art! War flames formation! Well, it would be a bother if someone came and got in our way. Now wouldn't it, Sensei? Out of breath already? You are getting old. I didn't think I'd win this easily. I'm not dead yet.